What are you doing, Maya?
Spinning.
Spinning?
Oh,
Wow. That's pretty good, Peanut.
Stop.
Oh. Are you spinning it?
Oh, there. Spin. Oh, spinning.
Wow.
Stop. Stop.
Maya, you gonna get your friend to help you? Where's your friend?
It's right here.
What's his name?
Whatever.
Kualala. Oh, you're so smart.
Oh, stop.
Did you stop it?
Oh, spinning.
Good girl, Maya.
Oh. Stop.
It's good that she can do it with both hands, too.
This fall down.
Who fell down?
This koala fall. That big one.
Okay, be gentle with
Okay,
him.
show Koala how you can spin.
Are you all done?
Show Koala.
Wow. What are you doing, Peanut?
Spinning.
Spinning.
She run outside and kick the soccer ball.
That was it. We went for a walk. I just wanted to go to the park to go for the swing. I didn't know where it was. Going swinging, she said.
Swinging.
Maya, can you blow Mommy a kiss? Oh, did you fall down?
Let's fall down.
Did you fall down?
Yep.
Yep.
I get up.